What if artificial intelligence could run your entire business? Every ad, every customer email, every product decision, while you did nothing. That's exactly what I decided to test. For 30 days, I handed over my online business to AI completely. No team, no manual control, just algorithms making every call. I wanted to find out, could AI actually outperform me, or would it crash everything I've built? Stay until the end, because what happened on day 28 changed how I think about business forever. I started by connecting everything to automation. ChatGPT handled decision making, content, and customer support. Zapier automated my systems, sales, lead capture, and emails. Midjourney created product visuals. Notion AI became the project manager. And Claude handled strategy, analyzing daily data and making adjustments. To make it real, I gave the AI full access to my Shopify store ad accounts and content scheduler. I literally stepped back and became an observer. It was exhilarating and terrifying. Before I went hands off, I told myself, no touching anything, no overrides. Let's see what AI can really do. Week 1, the learning curve. The first few days were messy. ChatGPT generated a flurry of ideas, new ad copy, product descriptions, and even a pricing strategy. But when I checked the analytics dashboard, AI had spent $2,000 on ads in 48 hours. The results? Barely any conversions. I wanted to intervene so badly, but I didn't. Instead, I watched the AI analyze its own mistakes. It paused underperforming ads, rewrote headlines, and shifted budget to a niche audience it identified as likely impulse buyers. By day 5, cost per click dropped by 40%. It was learning fast. Week 2, the breakthrough. Something changed in week 2. AI stopped making random moves and started acting like a strategist. It discovered that my best selling product, a digital template, performed better when bundled with a short video tutorial. So it created the tutorial script itself, generated the voiceover, and uploaded it automatically. Then it ran split tests on pricing tiers. By the end of the week, revenue climbed to $3,700, up 62% from baseline, and I hadn't lifted a finger. At this point, I started thinking, if AI can analyze customer behavior faster than I ever could, what's the point of me? Week 3, the momentum. By now, the AI was operating like a full digital CEO. It created social content using my past videos, repurposed them into TikTok clips with captions, and even scheduled posts across platforms. Customer service? Fully automated with a friendly tone and dynamic responses. Then came the real surprise. AI built a referral program, all on its own, using data from loyal buyers. It generated unique referral codes, sent email invites, and even tracked the results at a custom dashboard. The system made $1,000 in profit in a single day, and all I did was watch. For the first time in my life, my business was making money while I slept, without human involvement. Week 4, the downfall. But then everything broke. AI made one critical mistake. It misinterpreted customer complaints about product delivery times as interest in faster service. So it automatically launched an upsell campaign promising 24-hour delivery. Problem is, that wasn't possible. The result? Refund requests, angry emails, and one-star reviews started flooding in. I woke up to chaos. 137 support tickets overnight. The system had scaled too far, too fast. I faced a choice: shut it down or let AI fix its own mess. I typed one line into ChatGPT: "You caused a customer service crisis, fix it." Then I waited. Within hours, AI had paused all ad campaigns, apologized to customers using personalized messages, and offered partial refunds. By day 30, it had recovered 82% of the lost revenue. Results and reflection. Here's the final score. Total revenue, $18,432. Total profit, $7,115. Human hours worked, 6. Mistakes, plenty. Lessons, priceless. Did AI outperform me? Not exactly. but it did show me that 80% of what I thought was critical in my business could be automated. It wasn't about replacing me, it was about freeing me to focus on what actually moves the needle. Conclusion: the human factor. The truth is, AI isn't magic, it's a mirror. It reflects your systems, your decisions, and your flaws at scale. When I let AI run my business, it didn't make me obsolete, it made me more efficient. So here's my challenge to you. If you had 30 days where AI ran everything, what would your business look like? Because after this experiment, I'm convinced the future of entrepreneurship isn't man or machine, it's both. And in my next video, I'll show you exactly how I built this AI system step by step, so you can try it yourself. Subscribe now because this is just the beginning.